Hi, welcome to another lesson of the Excel for Absolute Beginners course. This is lesson 13 and it happens to be the last lesson of chapter 2. In this lesson, we are looking at how to insert comments in an Excel spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, sometimes it becomes important to pass some comments which may not necessarily be part of the actual data or values within the spreadsheet itself, but you are using the comment as a prompt for a particular purpose. So in the instance where you happen to be a supervisor and your subordinate has submitted some spreadsheet to you, you need to review it and give your comment on that. Then in that instance, you are going to use a comment feature because you don't want to go ahead and be writing your comment right in here. So correct this, then you just type it directly into. It's going to affect the data that the person has presented, assuming it's some research results or outcomes of a research they conducted that they are submitting to you. So you don't want to go ahead and type directly in there. For that matter, you want to use comments. How then do you insert comments in Excel? To do that, you would have to go to review. So you're a supervisor, you're actually reviewing the work. Hence, go to review, and here under the comments group, you'll find a new comment command. So click on new comment. You can also see the shortcut shift plus F2. So you can use the shift plus F2 shortcut to get there, but you can click on this and it tells you that provide the comment here. So type the results here. So if I pass this comment, then any one that I share this link to can click on this and get the comment. When you hover on it, it gives you the comment, says type the result here. So maybe they did something but they didn't give the result, so I've asked them to type it here. If you want the comment to show, because now I have to hover over it before it shows, but at least you can see this red thing is prompting you that there's something about this cell, so it shows you that there is a comment in the cell. But if you want it to always be on, then you have to come here and choose show all comments. Click on that and all the comments in the spreadsheet will be shown even without clicking anywhere. Okay, so that is how to insert comments, and it becomes very useful, especially when you are sharing the data or the spreadsheet with others and you want to pass opinions which do not really form part of the data in the spreadsheet. That is exactly how you go about it. I hope you've learned something new from this lesson. If you haven't yet watched the previous lesson, then do all to watch all those lessons to get a solid background in Excel. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.